Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Valorant on PS5 with a keyboard and mouse. First, connect your preferred keyboard and mouse directly into the PlayStation 5's available USB ports. There are typically 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port. Next, ensure your console's system software is completely up to date to guarantee optimal peripheral recognition. This simple initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience, allowing your console to properly detect your input devices. It's important to understand that Valorant is a PC-exclusive title and is not natively available on the PlayStation 5. However, you can still enjoy it using cloud gaming services. Services like NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream PC games directly to your console via the PS5 web browser. This method bypasses the need for a native console port, bringing the full PC experience to your PlayStation 5 with minimal latency, if your internet is fast enough. To get the best experience, a wired Ethernet connection is highly recommended over Wi-Fi, reducing latency significantly. Aim for an internet speed of at least 25 megabits per second for high-quality streaming. Within your chosen cloud gaming service, adjust the streaming quality settings. Selecting a resolution of 1080 pixels and a frame rate of 60 frames per second will provide a balanced and enjoyable visual experience, making your gameplay feel more responsive. Once you're in Valorant, dive into the game settings to fine-tune your controls. Adjust your mouse sensitivity and acceleration to match your comfort level, often found under the Controls or Settings menu. Experiment with different keybinds for abilities and actions, ensuring they feel natural and responsive. Spending about 10 to 15 minutes in the practice range will help you get accustomed to your new setup, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.